In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on FreshBooks. Let's dive in and explore how you can manage your small business finances with ease. To get started with FreshBooks, the first thing you need to do is sign up and complete your business profile. Head over to the FreshBooks website to select a plan that suits your business needs. Once there, you will provide basic information such as your email, name, and company name. Fill out your business profile by adding details about your industry, how you bill clients, and your preferred currency. Adding your company logo and customizing the appearance of your invoices can help create a professional and consistent image for your clients. Next, it's crucial to manage your clients and projects efficiently. Click on the Create New button to start adding clients. Simply select Client to add their basic information. For projects, follow a similar process. Click Create New, choose Project, and then you can give it a name, assign it to a client, and decide on either a billable hourly rate or a flat rate. You can also collaborate with your team on projects by inviting team members through their email addresses. Now, let's move on to tracking time and expenses, a vital part of managing your business smoothly. Navigate to the time tracking section and click New Entry to start a timer for any specific client or service you're working on. Don't forget to record hours as billable or non-billable to keep a clear record of your time. When it comes to expenses, the expenses section is your go-to place. This feature allows you to manage various business expenses, helping you keep track of where your money is going. One of the most powerful features of FreshBooks is its invoicing capabilities. Creating and sending invoices is straightforward. Click the Create New button and select Invoice to get started, or visit the Invoices section. Here, choose your client, add the relevant services or products, and modify the rates and quantities as needed. You can even link an invoice to a specific project, which will automatically include any billable time recorded for that project. And once your invoice is ready, sending it to your client via email is just a click away. Finally, to gain a holistic understanding of your business's financial health, make use of FreshBooks' dashboard and reports. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your earnings, outstanding payments, and unassigned time, serving as a comprehensive snapshot of your business finances. If you want more in-depth insights, head to the Reports section, which provides detailed financial reports on your income, expenses, and client revenue. For speedy navigation, the search bar is a useful tool to quickly locate specific clients, projects, or invoices. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to mastering FreshBooks for your small business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.